In this video we're going to use Excel to upload several files in one go to WordMaps. I have some raw material here, and we notice that there is a structure to the raw material. We have a piece of information or some quotes that belong together here, and they all belong to this date. And we have a new date, some more material, and it continues further down through our document. We want this to be divided into separate files. But before we can do that, we need to make sure that everything is going to belong together. So I notice that we have some manual line shifts. These have to go, and I'm deleting that one and this one. Now everything sticks together, and we can copy all of it and enter it into Excel. The place where we need to put it in Excel is the upper leftmost corner here. And we see we're going to have 9 files. But before we actually complete the upload, there is something we can improve a little bit. Notice how these dates are all of them starting with the number of the day. I want to change that into a different sequence. So I'll put them into a little auxiliary sheet I prepared, where I can paste my raw material. And what happens now is that what was the day at the very beginning becomes the last part. So 28 becomes the last part, the least important part of the name. The most important part, the big one, the year, is at the beginning, and the month is in the middle. So having done that, I'm copying it, putting it back here, and I need to paste special values, and now I have my dates sorted the way I prefer them. We can now go back to Excel, to WordMaps, and do the upload. And we want a special one. Here we have the access to importing from Excel. And we click here. We must choose our Excel file. We do the upload. And the message tells us that in a few minutes we should be able to see the content in our project. I'll have a go and look at it now. And we open our project, and yes, here they are. Notice how the first file is the one from 28th of November, and the last one is the one from February 15th. So they actually appear in the correct sequence. Now I'm going to select them, make a little analysis. I'll do a timeline analysis which should compare the files against each other. Let me search for a name. For example, I believe the name Bibi is contained into the material. I'll submit that, and we see that actually, yes, the name Bibi occurs twice, and it's part of the third file in the material. So this was a presentation of how to upload several pieces of material in one go using Excel. Thanks for watching. See you back soon.